Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Pentair IntelliBrite 5G Color Underwater LED Pool Light 12-volt 30-foot cord. Pentair IntelliBrite 5G Automated Color Changing Pool and Spa Lights feature LED technology, which is the wave of the future. They consume up to 50% less energy than competitors' lights. 5 fixed colors create the mood for the evening or select from 7 popular color shows yourself. Superior lens geometry and exclusive reflector design combine to create a wider beam and more uniform light distribution. Pool lens can be rotated to 180 degrees to provide wide beam pattern or narrow beam pattern. Also, these lights are compatible with Pentair stainless steel and plastic niches. UL certified product. Features: a superior reflector design, 12-volt and 30-foot cord, EasyTouch control system, energy effective. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.